I don't know where to start this evening. Well, let me start by saying the Premier League final is the biggest and most high-pressure game on the local football calendar. The top referees in the country should do that game. And please don't bother with the simplistic and self-righteous reasoning that it was wrong for the players to be misbehaving and it was wrong for the spectators to be throwing missiles and blah, blah, blah. Yes, we all know that it was wrong and we're not supporting or excusing bad behavior. But this is football. And this is what football does to people all over the world. The main problem last night was that the referees in the middle and on the lines failed to adequately control the game. And things festered and fueled by some indecisions and some bad decisions. It caused things to get out of hand. The players showed little or no respect for the referees, and the referees in turn failed to stamp their authority on the game, which caused the situation to escalate, and it incensed the frustrated crowd into bad and reprehensible behavior. That is my interpretation of what happened last night. Now you notice in my analysis, I don't mention the gender of the referees because what is important is their competence and not the agenda. And the referees were incompetent last night. Time up. But in part 2, we talk about the possible sanctions and punishment for the guilty parties in this fiasco.